Okay, so let's take a look at how you can integrate box.com's cloud storage with one of the Outlook or Zoho Mail's email using Zapier. So I will take a look at the Outlook one, and here you can see the box count with one of the spreadsheet file. What I will do is I will try and get email to append to a text file within box. For that I can use notes. That also works. So let's take a look at when Outlook emails come in, sync it into box notes, right? So this is the scenario I'll be using it, syncing the box notes with Outlook emails. Before that we have to do two things. One is adding Outlook and also box. So go to apps, and there you already have most likely Outlook. I have added, right? Once added, what I can do is add the box integration as well, right? So this is the box. I will try and connect this. Okay, I have to grant the access, and once granted it will appear like this, right? Now let's go back to dashboard to run our scenario, and here within prompt box I will paste this and click generate. Now this will create a zap, and within few seconds you can see that it will show you syncing Outlook emails to box notes. Try it, and we have to go step by step for this particular syncing. First we have to sync our Outlook account, right? Then continue, let it read the inbox. Once you read the trigger, it will move to next step where you have to give it some emails to read, and then move to adding them to box. So add comment to a file, create a text file, best option, right? And alternatively there must be the notes part as well, but it doesn't look like that way. So I'll continue with creating text file, then continue. Let's choose folder, right? Top level folder. Let's name this file something like Outlook emails. Txt will be added on its own, and within that I will add, first I will try and add sender, right? So sender email address and also subject, these two things I will add to file content. Share this file, you can share it or just keep it as is, then continue, then test this. If it allows you status okay, can proceed further, then publish this, right? Let's move to next step. Here you can see Zap is published. So what I can do is go to box account, right? Here I can go to notes, and let's try and see if it has any notes. Currently it does not look like it has notes, right? So we will go back to all files. Here you can see currently there are no Outlook options. So I will go here, and here you can see the box notes are basically a folder now where you have this Outlook emails, and once synced it will add subject and sender. So sender is @ something like that, and then let's see what it has. Okay, so untitled note, right? So basically we have these files added within my box note. So you have to see how the stuff appears here, right? So sign and secure, I will just check what is available. Here you can see the message also is there, senders message, new apps connected, right? So we managed to sync in box.com's notes with Outlook.